Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the resolution in your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now at the top of the screen you have to click on that resolution icon or option. Now it's in 1080p, but here you can see that you have other options, the 480, the 720, and 2K and 4K. And at the bottom of the pop-up menu you can see the estimated file size. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.